Tinubu increases retirement age for doctors and healthcare workers from 60 to 65. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for tuning in and listening to the headline that we got in this morning. As a headline for this morning says that Tinubu increases retirement age for doctors and healthcare workers from 60 to 65 years. Well, President Bola Tinubu has approved an increase in the retirement age for doctors and other healthcare professionals in Nigeria, rating it from 60 to 65 years. The announcement was made on Wednesday in Lagos by Dr. Mayama Bacho, National Public Secretary of the Nigerian Medical Association. Well, according to Bacho, the Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Mohammed Pate, has been instructed to present the approval of the Council on establishment through the Office of the Head of Office for final processing. Professor Pate conveyed this policy change during a high-level meeting with NMA President Professor Bala Audu and other key stakeholders in the health sector. The meeting also included leaders from the medical and dental consultants across the Nigerian National Association of Nigeria, nurses and midwives, and the joint health unions. Discussion at the meeting focused on improving the welfare of doctors and healthcare workers. Professor Pate confirmed that the payment of the areas from the adjourned consolidated medical salary structures would begin soon, as the necessary funds had already been secured. President Tinubu also approved correction to um, consecutive salary adjustments under CONMES and the consolidated health salary structure following the implementation of the new minimum wage. Well, Bachos said that Professor Pate assured that this process was already in the final stage and would provide much needed relief to healthcare workers. He further said that a review initiated by the NMA led to the approval of new tariff for healthcare service providers. This development is expected to benefit members in the Association of Nigeria's Private Medical Practitioners and Nurses, ensuring that financial stability for healthcare service nationwide. The minister also expressed appreciation for the patience and cooperation for all stakeholders, reaffirming the government's commitment to improving healthcare workers' welfare. He emphasized that collaboration remains key to strengthening Nigeria's health sector. Well, meeting attendees, he reaffirmed their dedication to advocate for healthcare workers' welfare and pushing for the full implementation of key reforms. While the Nigerian Medical Association has long pushed for an increase in the retirement age of health workers, citing the need to curb brain drain, enhance knowledge transfer, and improve healthcare delivery. In the recent years, various health unions have staged nationwide strike under the delayed implementation of CONMES comments and CONHES for doctors and healthcare workers. Well, Kani Daily recalled that a group of retired military personnel recently disrupted operation of the Federal Ministry of Finance in Abuja, protesting over unpaid entitlement in related news. And that was what I was said here concerning this headline today this morning, which says here that Tinubu increases retirement age for doctors and healthcare workers from 60 to 65 years. And before I move on, don't forget if you're not a subscriber, the best you can do right here right now is to tap that subscribe button here with the notification bell so that anytime I have any new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it ASAP. Tinubu increases retirement age for doctors and healthcare workers from 60 to 65 years old. The only question that needs a little bit of answer is that was that necessary or does that need to be done? I myself, I think it's a very good thing. Like, seriously, I really think it's a very good thing that he released the workers from 60 to 65 years old. Because first of all, Nigeria don't have much doctors. Most doctors are finding their way out of the country to go and, you understand, now work abroad. And got a point that Nigerians' rate of doctors we're getting slimmer and slimmer. So the little that we have here in Nigeria, I think Tinubu want to expand their longevity. We want to make them work longer, so we know that okay, fine, we have much doctor before this new set to come in, this and that. You understand? So to me, I think for a country like Nigeria, whose retirement age was at 60, it's better to put it at 65. Mhm. Some 60 years old are still their blood is still strong, their blood is still kicking. Yes, their blood is still strong, but their blood is still kicking. But wait though, 65 years old now isn't that the general retirement age of all government workers? I mean, we should be asking that question. 65 years old, is that the general retirement age government workers? Because do you expect a teacher to retire at the age of 65? Do you expect a civil worker to retire at the age of 65? Or when is the presidency going to expire? When is that the post of presidency going to expire? Is it until you reach 65 or until you reach the election time? Because I think it's something we need to discuss because Tinubu that's talking gossip, Tinubu is more than 65. Mm-hmm. Tinubu is more than 65. Okay, all of this comment section to have here. Um Goni Ike said that confused government, was all the plan went to stay 65 and retire. You won't have much to collect pension and do pay people well they refuse. Happy you. That is just what they want, 65 years old, and they've gotten that 65 that they wanted. Okay, okay, Ibaga Umaka said some workers use some workers use affidavit to reduce their age when they're already at 40 or at 35. They already they were already 75 and are no longer active to add in another 5 years to them to make them active. Even when with so much unemployment in the country, is adding 5 years depriving esteemed youth opportunity from having a job. Politicians wish way. That's actually true. Some workers are using affidavit to expand their age. Like some of them now, once they reach 55, they'll go and renew their birth certificates and affidavit, put a year, reduce their age, do the same thing again, do the same thing again. Until they reach a point that they can't even do it again, that it is already getting noticeable that man, you are old. I think all these politicians still do the same thing, or the rules does not apply to politicians because politician can be something years old. He can go still the rule country. Yes, just like Tinubu, old man, old baba. Okay, Mark Mudin Iguana said that even if the retirement age is 70 years old, without reduction in pump fuel price, it's still the same problem. I mean, seriously, it's still the same problem. What do you guys think? Tell me, drop your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Then tap the subscribe button as big with the notification bell so anytime I have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have one for day ahead of you.